Welcome, in front of me is a T-Mobile T phone, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications. Just a single swipe down will bring up notifications. Then we can do one more pull down and select our power button. Choose power off. And when the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see this window right here, let go of the keys, and then using only volume up, you want to select first option, which is recovery mode. So just make sure that the arrow is at the very top, and then press volume down to confirm it. In a moment you should see Android with no command as a logo of Android. Once you do see that, hold power key and press volume up while holding power key. Like this. And there we go, we are now in recovery mode. And here we can utilize both of the volume keys up and down to navigate, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And with that in mind, we can reboot the device and go back to Android. We can reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page. We can enter fastboot mode, which also was accessible in the boot mode. We can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run test, either graphical or just normal one, and power off the phone. So there we go. Now there's not much more to show, so I'm gonna leave this mode by sticking with the reboot system now, confirming it, and this will, just like I mentioned before, bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.